Hair gurus and new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
Hey Lobos, it's your girl Disastrous Beauty coming back with the voiceover. So the unit I will be reviewing today was sent to me by Wequeen Hair. Shout out to you, Wequeen, for sending me this unit. Maybe you guys can tell this unit is a headband wig. So right here I am showing you guys the cap construction. This unit does come with 3 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps. And it has the elastic headband thing. Now this unit is in the color 1B/30 and it is a curly unit. So if you're interested in any more detailed specs and other good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch and I will see you love bugs in the outro. Bye!
You and I, we never show emotions, we just keep it down inside. Yeah, you and I, both longing for expression for the things we like, but we stay quiet. Hold me now, tell me things, tell me all about how you feel. Just let yourself go. Say it loud, wake the world on the other side, make it real. Just let yourself go, just let go.
So I'm obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and other good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all, so this unit was sent to me by Wequeen Hair. Shout out to you, Wequeen, for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. The unit that I am wearing is their 1B/30 curly 100% virgin human hair headband wig. And the details is, it says cap construction, full cap headband wig, cap size average, texture curly. The color is 1B/30. The density is 150%. The weight is 200 grams. The hair type is Brazilian virgin hair. The hairline obviously is attached with a black headband. And it says special features. Just throw your hair on and go. And yes, honey, okay, yes. With a pre-attached headband, it's really less work putting on your unit. Definitely makes your morning so easy and be able to take it off at night in a second. So those are the details, and as I stated, I do have this unit in 18 inches, and obviously my density is the same, so I guess the wig that's on their site is basically the same that I have on. So yeah, that is that. Although it looks like the model's wig looks a little longer. Yeah, hers look a little longer, but I guess mine is the length of the pictures on this, like their pictures. Does that make any sense? Yeah, whatever. So yeah, this unit is a headband wig. It is a curly one, and I just love the color of it. Like, I love a good 1B30 or 1B27. This one was definitely giving me more 27 vibes than 30, but I could be wrong. I don't know. It's a pretty light 30 in my opinion, but you know, I could be wrong, child. I ain't nobody's expert. That was just my humble opinion. But yeah, I love the color of it. Okay, so obviously this is a headband wig, and so, you know, it ain't really a whole lot that I have to say about it, but I do want to talk about the construction. This unit does come with 3 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps, and it does have that little headband thing. As far as it being big head friendly, it says it's in an average cap size, but in my opinion, headband wigs seem to be basically one size fits all, in my opinion. Like, honey, like, you know, I ain't nobody's expert, but that's what it seems to be to me. And As far as shedding and tangling, I did get a few hairs, but it wasn't a whole lot. Like, I want to mention it just so you won't say, girl, I got a strand. You know, I don't want, don't come for me. So I wanted to make sure that I did mention that, but it's not a whole lot. Like, literally maybe 4 strands all together. So just in case, girl, I don't need you coming for me. I wanted to make a mention of that. As far as tangling, like, despite it being a very, very curly unit, like, I am getting no tangles. You guys have seen me just run my fingers through it over and over and over again, and I'm not getting any tangles whatsoever, which is definitely a plus when it comes to a really, really curly unit. And yeah, that is basically it as far as the details and specs go, because as I stated, it's a headband wig. Like, girl, what else can I even say? Okay, so if you are interested in how I feel about this unit, as well as what I had to do to it, if anything, girl, as well as the full 360, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all, so obviously I am definitely feeling this unit. You guys know I love a good color, honey. Okay, I love me some color. I like some curls, and I love easiness. Okay, like this wig embodies everything that this girl loves. Okay, so obviously I was going to be feeling it. I also really do like the fact that it's like almost spring, and it's kind of giving me springy vibes. Maybe that's why I chose the yellow headband, or, you know, it's supposed to be gold. We're gonna act like it's gold because I got on gold shirt. The other headbands just didn't match, and the other one is this, and you guys know this is not edgeless friendly. These type of headbands are not edgeless friendly. If you ain't got no edges, like, you need to stay away from these, girl. But it is a really, really pretty headband. But this color was the only one that really went with what I had, because the rest are, you know, like burgundies and browns and greens, and yeah, that just wasn't gonna do, girl. So yeah, I went with this, and I love these type of thick headbands because, you know, we still struggling with the edges. Okay, girl, they coming, but they moving a little slow. Okay, you see, I got a few there. You see them, girl. Yeah, but this gives them a more of an illusion that I have more edges than a gut. Okay, so that's why I kind of gravitate towards these type of headbands. But I really love this unit. I just think it's really cute. I love the spring vibes, because, honey, we are ready for spring. Okay, girl, we are ready for spring. So I just love everything about this unit. I really do. I think it is really cute. And I love the length, because the length is not going to be in my way. And y'all know how your girl feel about stuff being in the way. I don't like that super long hair that So this hair is perfect for me. So yeah, I'm feeling it. So I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a full 360. Oh, as far as anything that I put on it, honey, I ain't put nothing on it. She came like this. She woke up like this. Okay? She woke up like this. Okay, I didn't put anything on this unit whatsoever. All I had to do was literally comb it out with my fingers, and that was it. So anyways, now I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360, and we can wrap this thing all the way. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back, and I'm gonna stand up. Y'all even see it? It's not long, so. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, I am definitely feeling this wig. I think it is an entire look, an entire vibe. Like, shout out to you, Wequeen, for this unit. And yeah, I'm gonna show you guys like just like all the hair to the front. Like, this is where it comes to me. It's really full despite it being 150% density. So yeah, she's a look, she's a vibe, she is all of the things. So shout out to you once again, Wequeen. If you are interested in this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, we're done. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, something you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, click the subscribe button, sis. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm Helton Missy on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
You and I, we never show emotions, we just keep it down.